What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you be changing out your cabin air filter in a Buick Encore GX. It's probably the same from about the 2020 to the 2025. All you have to do is come to your glove box right here. You want to open up your glove box. Then what you want to do is squeeze on the two sides. You want to squeeze like that. End will come out, other side the same way. And your box will drop down like that. You'll have like a damper arm right here. If you can take this off too if you want to, just by taking probably like a pair of needle nose pliers and squeezing that and pulling it off. That'll let your glove box drop all the way down. But you can get to it without taking this off. If you're comfortable, just don't put too much pressure on this, because you don't want to put a lot of pressure on this piece right here. But you can reach up inside of it. As you can see, you want to reach right inside of it just like that. Squeeze these two sides right here, and once you do that, this door will come off. And then when you look right back here, you'll be able to see your cabin air filter. Make sure you pay attention to the direction that the new one goes in. If you can see when I'm taking this one out, it's showing this way faces down. Let you see the cabin air filter that you may need for your vehicle. Like I said, once again, this is a Buick Encore GX. It's probably going to be the same from about the 2020 to 2025. And you want to look at it. If it looks dirty, you want to go ahead and replace it, because this is what basically keeps the air inside of your vehicle fresh. If it gets really dirty, not only will it stop the air pressure from coming in your vehicle, but when you turn on your heat or your AC, you may have particles and things like that that may blow into your vehicle. Then once you get your new one, you just want to slide it back in. Make sure you make the arrows facing down. Yeah, once you got your cabin air filter back in, you just want to come now with your door that covers it, and you want to basically take it and you just want to put it back on there. I like to start with this side over here, just kind of, you'll see the little opening, and then just pop it back on like that, and pretty much you'll be done. Alright folks, once again, this is how you be changing out your cabin air filter on a Buick Encore GX from about the 2020 to the 2025. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.